Hi everybody, this is Susan here. Thanks again for joining us on our cooking channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious traditional Cantonese style rice dumplings or zhong or zhongzi. First we're going to be preparing our pork. Here we're busy cutting out the pork pieces with a bit of fat, as it really helps to bring out the flavor in this rice dumpling. We're going to need about 15 pieces here, and the rest of the pork we'll use it to make something else next time. Now we're going to marinate it with some Chinese 5-spice, a teaspoon of that, and then about 3 teaspoons heaped of light soy sauce, and then 2 overflowing teaspoons of dark soy sauce. There we go. Gives it that nice color. And then a nice big teaspoon of Chinese rice wine. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 more teaspoon of salt. And 1 big tablespoon of cornstarch. And we will marinate this for about 30 minutes. Now give everything a nice good old mix. And make sure all the pork pieces are covered and mixed in and all nice and colored. We have some halved mushrooms there, Chinese black mushrooms. This is some green beans here that have been soaked overnight in boiling water. And here we have our sticky white rice with some deshelled green beans. The same green beans you saw before, just without the skin. These make a very delicious texture on this delicious rice dumpling. Next we have some black-eyed peas. We will boil them for about 10 minutes and then also let it soak overnight. And then we're going to mix in all our beans here into our sticky white rice. And we're going to add about 3 teaspoons of salt. And then we're going to mix this all together very nicely and finely to make sure the rice and the beans are properly mixed in with the salt. We're just going to add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps to make the mixing much more easier and for everything to be mixed more evenly. We're going to mix this up for another 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure everything, all the salt is not clumped together. And now we're ready to start making our delicious pyramid style dumplings. And here you'll see our rice bean mixture, our black mushrooms, our pork, as well as our bamboo leaves. And this is how we're going to make our pyramid style rice dumplings. First we'll take 2 broad bamboo leaves here and hold them like this. Make sure your finger placement is similar. Okay, this is where we curve it to make the top. And then we're going to get a nice big handful of the rice and bean mixture. We'll fill it to about halfway. Then we place in our mushroom and our delicious pork there. And then we're going to stuff it up with the rest of the rice. There we go. Just until the brim there where you see the corners meet. And then we're going to take another 2 broad bamboo leaves to help reinforce the sides so that the dumpling does not come apart easily. And we're just going to slide it in as if you're weaving a nice basket there. And then 1 final leaf for the top. And first we're going to be pressing in the sides to secure it. And then we're going to fold it neatly inside there. And then a nice tuck and pull on the end there. And now it's sealed. There we go. And now we're going to take our string to just tightly secure our rice dumpling here. There we go. Pull it so that the string is nice and taut. And now we're just putting in a very simple knot here where you just pull the one string and it all comes apart. There we go. And we have our perfect package here. Our beautifully looking pyramid style Chinese or Cantonese style zhong or rice dumpling. Now we're going to do it again. Bamboo leaves you can get at any Chinese supermarket. You'll find them all neatly wrapped up and they are dry. So what we did to these bamboo leaves is we just boiled it for about 15 minutes for it to get soft and get back its moisture into its leaves. And you see, as you do it, you'll learn to do it more quickly. We're almost done already. And each of these pyramid style rice dumplings will need about 5 leaves. So keep that in mind to make sure you buy enough. From all our ingredients here, we made about 15 of these rice dumplings. And we will boil them for about 2 hours and then leave it overnight. And everything will be fully cooked and the pork will just melt in your mouth. This is a very delicious rice dumpling and you should all try it. It's a very easy and simple recipe, and we normally eat this in the winter because it is so filling and it keeps you warm the whole day. And also you are full the whole day as well because this is like a full meal. And you'll often find these in Cantonese styled restaurants. They are very popular and it is one of those staples on their menus. There you go, it's done. We're just going to secure it now with the string. Okay, biting with one end and then wrapping on one side. Another go around there, nice and tight. Make the easy knot here. And then if you do see some leaves sticking out, have your scissors ready to snip them off, as you see here now. There we go. Okay, and we do see that there's a leaf here sticking out. We're going to try and push that under the string here. Sometimes just that little leaf there might make the whole dumpling come apart. And we'll do this until you're finished with all your ingredients. Total, we made about 15, as you can see here. And now we'll place them in a nice large pot. We're going to add in some cold water and start boiling. Once it starts to boil, you're going to time it for about 2 hours. And then leave it overnight is best because that further cooks the whole dumpling through. And now you'll see the results of our delicious rice dumpling right here now. We're just going to take out all the bamboo leaves and then we serve this with a dollop of olive oil and soy sauce. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give us a nice like. And also remember to smash that bell icon for upcoming videos or you might miss out. Thank you guys again for watching. We really do appreciate your viewership. Please remember to comment and leave us any tips on how to improve our videos. This is Susan signing out. Thanks again. Gotcha, gotcha. Till next time.